Hello, this is a practice video for Go Tell Aunt Rhody, which is the fourth song in the Suzuki book, book 1. So you're going to start on the A string, so go ahead and play your A string. And that way you know that your A is the same as my A. Then we're going to go over the very first measure. So you're going to use your second finger, 1, second finger, high 2 is your first note. And the first measure goes like this. And that's second finger, first finger, open A. I'll play it again. Second finger, 1, open A. So why don't you try that with me? 2, 2, 1, open, open, 1, 2, ready, go. 2. One more time. Okay, so that's Go Tell Aunt Rhody. The second measure, you start with your first finger. This is still on the A string. First finger, 2, 1, open. Goes like this. Try it with me. 1, 1, 2, 1, open. Again. 1, ready, go. 1, 1. Good. Let's put those two measures together. I'll play it first. Let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so those are your first two measures. Last two measures of the first line, you start on the E string, okay? And on your music, you'll see there's a 0 above that note. That means it's an open string, which means it's your E string. So play your E string with me. Okay, so we only play the E string for a little bit. It goes like this. Then we rock over to the A string. And we play the third finger and the second finger. E, E, rock over to A, 3, 2, 2. 3, 2, 2. Ready, go. Okay, do it again. E. One more time. One more time. Okay, let's take it from the beginning. Starting with your second finger on the A string from the beginning. Ready, go. Okay, first three measures. Let's do the last measure. On the A string, 1, open, 1, 2, A. Try it with me. Two more times. Is that 3? 3 or 2, I'm not sure. All right, let's go from the beginning. Ready, go. Okay, so that's our first line. All right, let's go on the second line. So now if you look at your music, you have your second finger on the A string, 3, and then an open E. So you're going to go on the A string and then rock over to the E. Two, 2, 3, open, open. This is on the A string, second finger. Again, 2, ready, go. Last time. Good. Next measure, first finger on the A string. Play that twice, open E, 3, 2 on the A string. Goes like this. Ready, go. 2 more times. One more time. Okay, let's put those two together. 2, 2, 3, E, E, 1, 1, E, 3, 2. Okay, try that again. Two more times. One more time. Okay, we're going to finish the last 2 measures of the second line. Go Tell Aunt Rhody. It starts just like the first measure on the second line. We already know that part. If you look at the music, it looks exactly the same. First and third measure. Okay, the very last measure on the second line is almost exactly like the second measure, just a little bit different. It goes like this. 1, 1, and then you just hold the E. Try that with me. 1. Again. Okay, so now we're going to play the whole second line. I'm going to play it. If you feel like you can do it with me. technically you've learned the whole song because the last part of the song is the same as the first line. First and third line of the song are the exact same. Let's play the first part, which is also the third part. It goes like this. It's exactly the same as the beginning. It's like a sandwich, right? The first and the third part's like the bread, and then the second line, the middle line, is like your peanut butter and jelly or your ham and cheese or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna play the whole song through, and that way you can have that to practice with if you want to. Okay? Go Tell Aunt Rhody. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, so that's for you to practice with this week. I hope you have fun with it, and we'll talk about it on your lesson next time.